In the beginning of time, lightning was man's first source of fire. In 1746, a brave man once flew a kite in a lightning storm. Because of our ancestors' research on lightning, we know now that golf courses are not a safe place to be during a lightning storm. Death might occur, and if not, serious injuries. Lightning causes more direct deaths than any other weather phenomenon. Fifteen % of all injuries is to people who hide shelter under trees that end up getting hit by lightning.
So, class, as you can see, this is the cloud that forms the lightning. And to start off, you need a nimbus, which is a rain cloud. And it's positively charged at the top, negatively charged at the bottom, which forms the lightning bolt during an electrical storm, and it forms right in the cloud and produces a lightning bolt. My knees sure hurt. They're telling me it's gonna storm. I was right. Now the deciphering question is it A, an electrical storm, or B, a rainstorm? Let's go take a look! Good thing I have with this device here, called the remote, we can see whether it's going to be A, an electrical storm, or B, a rain cloud storm. It definitely says lightning. Ah!